हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई थिंक आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। सो फाइनली आज मैंने डे आउट प्लान करा है अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। सो आई एम हेयर फॉर अ क्विक तंदूरी कैफ़े जहाँ पे हम जम्बू बर्गर प्लान कर रहे हैं आज। वी हैव अ चैलेंज, सो टेक केयर, सी यू देयर, बाय। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ यू ऑल। आई गेस ऑल आर सेफ एंड आई प्रे टू। जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, ड्यू टू कोविड-19 घर से निकलना कितना मुश्किल हो चुका था, बट our friends have finally decided for our day out. We have planned to visit Quick Tandoori Momos, which is situated at the mall, and we are going to have a challenge out there of eating our big jumbo burger. Yes, and let's see who wins that.
Hello everyone, I hope you all guys are doing well. So as you all know that we are facing a very serious problem, that is COVID-19 pandemic. So me and my friends decided to go out and we are planned to visit Quick Tandoori Momos, and I must say that place is really awesome, and we are going there for a challenge, that is a jumbo burger challenge, and I'm very excited, and let's go there.
So guys, we are finally together, and as you all know that we are going for a cafe where we have 161 varieties of different momos, 25 varieties of burgers and so on.
So guys, we are really very excited for our jumbo burger eating challenge. So let's go there.
Let's go. Let's go.
So guys, we are finally at our location, that is Quick Tandoori Momos, and the place is opposite to the MC office downstairs. As you can see, the MC office.
कितना अच्छा है आज, how beautiful day और sunny day.
सही में
अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ.
It's good. It's बिल्कुल near to the United Colors of
Of Benton.
Bennington and Louis Philippi. इसके साथ बिल्कुल stairs हैं और बस you have to just take left after that. So
let's move. अबे
सो गाइस, अगर आप लोअर बाज़ार की तरफ से आ रहे हैं, सो वी हैव वेरी फेमस शॉप ऑफ सुंदर पंसारी. एज यू कैन सी, वहाँ से आप स्टेयर्स ले लो एंड देन यू कैन सी द बोर्ड ऑफ क्विक तंदूरी कैफ़े और यहाँ पे विज़िट कर लो आप. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस. गाइस, फाइनली वी हैव रीच्ड आवर डेस्टिनेशन, सो लेट्स मूव इन. एज़ यू ऑल कैन सी, यहाँ पे किस तरह से प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स ले रहे हैं ये सभी लोग. हमें सैनिटाइज, थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग, एवरीथिंग इज़ हैपनिंग. कैफ़े लिटरली बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. एंड यू कैन सी ये हमारी डिटेल भी ले रहे हैं सो दैट कि इन केस अगर कोई कोविड-19 पॉजिटिव हो, so they can call. बिल्कुल. एंड हाइजीन भी काफ़ी मेंटेन किया गया है, एज यू कैन सी. बिल्कुल हाइजीनिक प्लेस है काफ़ी. और सबसे ज़्यादा फैसिनेटिंग जो मुझे इस प्लेस में लगा वो है इनका ओपन किचन कंसेप्ट. हाँ, लिटरली है ना. हाँ, बिल्कुल यार. यू कैन हैव अ लुक ऑन दी वर्किंग कि कैसे वेदर दे आर सर्विंग यू फ्रेश फूड और नॉट. हाँ, वी कैन सी बिल्कुल दे वर्किंग एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक
maintaining proper hygiene while cooking.
चलो it's
Let's order.
nice. Let's order something, guys.
Most exciting part.
So guys, as you all know, हम यहाँ बिग जम्बू बर्गर चैलेंज के लिए आए हैं, पर इससे पहले हम आपको यहाँ का मेन्यू बताना चाहते हैं. So guys, we have here's the menu. सबसे पहले 161 टाइप्स ऑफ तंदूरी मोमोज हैं. इसमें आएंगे तंदूरी मोमोज, स्टीम मोमोज, पैन फ्राइड मोमोज, कुरकुरेज मोमोज एंड फ्राइड मोमोज. और उसके अलावा भी हमारे पास काफ़ी वैरायटी है. जैसे हम बर्गर जो कि हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी. पास्ता है, सूप्स है, चाउमीन है, फ्राइड राइस है, और यहाँ ये लोग जूसेस भी सर्व कर रहे हैं, गुआवा जूस. और जो लोग नॉन वेज प्रेफर करते हैं उनके लिए नॉन वेज में भी काफ़ी ऑप्शंस है, जैसे कि चिकन टिक्का, पनीर टिक्का और भी काफ़ी कुछ. सो लेट्स ऑर्डर. Yeah guys, let's order. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
We need a jumbo burger.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So guys, let's start with our challenge. So jumbo burger challenge. So देखते हैं कौन कितनी देर में इस बर्गर को फिनिश करता है. So guys, मैं स्टॉप वॉच स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ. So let's see कौन कितनी देर में स्टार्ट करता है. So let's start. चलो, come on girls, come on.
इसको चकना कैसे?
Come on, come on, come on. ये तो इसे उठा भी नहीं पा रहे. Oh God, इन्होंने बर्गर की धज्जियां उड़ा दी है. Let's see. Oh God, ये बर्गर इसके मुंह के जितना है. Still, लोग इसका मुंह खराब हो गया है.
Burger is too delicious. Like, oh my god.
हाँ.
It's delicious. You must try.
मुझे बहुत मन हो रहा है guys.
Feeling jealous.
हाँ, too much. ये मैंने गलत कर दिया कि I should. Oh God, look at her. Her face and oh God, I'm enjoying it.
Blend of creamy as well as
Oh
crunchy.
God, wow, and it's.
मैं बोल भी नहीं पा रही, इतना यम्मी है.
Oh
पर मुझे
God.
टेंशन भी हो रही है.
I also wanna have it, guys. अच्छा, I can have fries. Fries तो मैं खा ही सकती हूँ. They are for me also because मन तो मेरा भी कर रहा है अब, and I'll try it. इसके बाद मैं भी इसे खाऊंगी. Let their channel. अच्छा, अभी
बहुत ज़्यादा यम्मी है.
1 मिनट हो चुका है guys.
शायद मैं इसे पूरा खा भी लूँ क्योंकि बहुत यम्मी है. शायद.
वाह वाह
शायद.
वाह. अच्छा, वैसे पेट तो इसका बड़ा है. देखते हैं कौन इसे जल्दी खत्म करता है. She's enjoying. Oh my God. सिमरन ज़्यादा तेज है. Nice, 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 nice. Come on, you can have it. Quick. Time बीतता जा रहा है. Come on. Yes, come on. It's going for 2 minutes. Come on, girls. Yes, good. Simran, she's leading. Come on. Sonika, you can do it. Wow. Woo.
I can't let her win.
But I'll win.
Oh.
For sure.
We will see.
देख रहे हो, छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका. अंशी is उसने फिनिश कर लिया है half of the, but she's still left and it's 2 minutes. Come on. कौन जीत रहा है? And I'm so excited. I should also have fries.
इतना ज़्यादा heavy है. But yummy भी.
And these fries are literally good. Wow. So
इसे पता नहीं मुंह में भी कैसे डालना है.
oh God. देख ही रहे हो आप लोग, इनके मुंह में नहीं जा रहा ये बर्गर. ये इनके नाक में, आंख में.
This is really very yummy. This paneer tikka is
Wow.
really very yummy. You should
This
try
is
this. This
कितना
jumbo
डिलीशियस
burger.
दिख रहा है ये मुझे.
हाँ, आप
I'll
चलो.
order it. इसके बाद I'll order it. Surely order it. Oh God, मुझे बहुत मन हो रहा है इसे खाने का. Come on, सोनू, क्या कर रही है तू? Come on, have it. Come on.
I'll eat this paneer tikka.
अब इन्हें देखो, इनके बुरे हाल हो रहे हैं. अब
प्लेट
तो
से
ये
भी बाहर
प्लेट
गिर
से
रहे.
बाहर,
यार, हो रहे.
कपड़ों पे, जुबान पे, नाक पे, आंख पे, हर
Untidy
जगह.
girl.
Untidy girl, literally.
जीतने के लिए तो करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, करना ही पड़ेगा. And you know, she is jealous. ये इसलिए कह रही है तुम्हें ऐसा.
खाने में सब कुछ चलता है।
सोनू आज तू मेरी नाक नहीं कटा सकती। कम ऑन यार, ये तेरा पेट इसलिए थोड़ी ना था। हैव इट, तू ही जीतेगी। आई नो who will win, God. 3 minutes, it's 3 girls, come on, make it quick. Are you having it? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh God, बस इसके बाद मुझे भी खाना है। जल्दी
Delicious.
जल्दी girls, come
Something that you
on.
must try.
Okay, let's have fries. बड़ा मन हो रहा है मेरा तो मुंह में। Oh God. Oh wow. It's 4 minutes, girls. Come on, come on. कितना टाइम लोगे
4
तुम?
minutes and a half burger.
Have it, have it, have it.
This is very crunchy,
Ah.
as you can see. This paneer tikka is really very crunchy and delicious.
Yes, it is. It is crunchy. I can also see, and the sauce is there. Wow, it looks beautiful. Oh God, I also feel like having it. Sonu, come on. She's almost done. Come on, come on, come on. Are you having it? Good, 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 good. You can do.
God, it's very heavy. This paneer tikka is really very heavy. पहले ये finish किया जाए.
Okay, so one piece left there.
I guess I can use the same strategy as well. I'm going to have this
Cheater,
part.
she's a cheater. She's using my strategy.
Oh, they are fighting now. Chalo, it's good. Fight is
Oh my
good.
God.
Fun should be there. Chalo, have it. You have to complete. Oh, it's 5 minutes. You can
5
see,
minutes and a half,
and
burger is
still
finished.
it's left. And still it's left. Come on, girls. Come on, do it, do it, do it. Come on, girls. You have taken a lot of time, but it was jumbo, literally. Oh, look at her. Ha ha ha. How she's having it.
Oh my God.
पूरे चाव से खा रही है लड़की। ओह
Like,
वाह, कितना एंजॉय कर रही है। और ये यहाँ पे
I'm going to feel sleep.
ओह गॉड, इसे तो पसीना आ चुका है। ओह और लुक एट हर,
मिर्ची भी लग रही है.
look at her face. Guys,
Then I can have fries.
yeah, I can have it.
Mine
Yes,
too.
yes, yes.
Please.
Girls, come on, come on, come on. It's 6 minutes. Come on, come on. Don't take too much of time. Come on. You
But
can
I
do it.
finished.
You can do it. Come on, come on. Jaldi, 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 jaldi. So what are you
मिर्ची भी लग
gonna?
रही है. ओह,
It was spicy. Second part is spicy.
Really?
बहुत मिर्ची है.
Which makes it even more difficult to just
Guys, मुझे ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा delicious दिख रहा है. मुझे मन कर रहा है कि I should also
Please,
participate
मेरे side से
there.
खा लो.
have a
Come
bite.
on, oh
Grab a
God.
bite.
No,
Man
no.
to, okay, okay, I'll not have, I'll not have.
You can have
It's a
fries.
challenge. Okay, I'll not have. Okay, I'll have fries.
My body is literally shivering.
Ah,
Oh my God.
come on, it's 7. Girls, come on. So you can see, guys, it's 7 minutes. Come on, come on. Don't take
Oh my
much
God.
of. How much time will you take? Come on. Oh, too much spicy. Oh God. Excuse me. Give them water.
Please.
पानी पानी।
वैसे we decided not to have water, but
Yeah, exactly.
नहीं, इन्हें पानी नहीं मिलेगा. Yes.
but we want
This was
to
the
be able
challenge.
to just handle it.
No water, no thank you.
Without
Okay, okay,
water.
come on, come on, come on, without water. आहा हा, इनके पूरे कपड़े, पूरे नाक, आंख.
Help me with this.
Oh, and she's frustrated with her
Shades.
everything.
Shades.
Shades. Oh God, they are stuck in your hairs.
Oh my God. Are you giving up?
Not at all.
Who is giving up? It's you. It's you. Gone. Who's gonna end? Come on.
कर दे. Please. Let me win.
Gone. So, is it done? Is it done? No. Okay. Still. Oh God. Now she's leading. Look, 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 look. You can see she's leading. You have much more left. Okay, come on, girls. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. इनके बुरे हाल. Oh God. It's okay. It's fine. Have it, have it. Yes, he's good, good.
मुझे 5 मिनट तक इतनी भूख लग रही थी और अब इतना फुल हो चुका है. लिटरली चक्कर आ
मुझे
रहे
इनका
हैं.
ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा.
इतना बड़ा
It's 9 minutes and still.
My body is shivering.
Oh God. अभी भी बाकी है and the time is 9. You can see. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Who's gonna end? Come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. तू मोटी किस लिए है फिर? What do you have? Come on, come on. Have it, have it. Have it, have it. Oh God, अगर मैं यहाँ पे होती तो मैंने इसे 2 minutes में over कर दिया था. And look at them, अभी तक over नहीं हुआ ये none of them. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. कौन जीत रहा है?
You can feel the shiver. You must feel.
Oh God, I can, literally I can. Come on girls, it's going for 10, 10, 10. Come on, come on, come on.
Shut up.
Come on.
down.
प्यास भी
So आज कोई, मुझे तो लग रहा है आज कोई भी नहीं जीतने वाला इनमें से. I think I should have
More
it
than
now.
10 minutes.
Oh God, yes, literally it's more than 10 minutes. You can see here. You can see here. You can see now, girls. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I give up. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा मुझसे.
Oh God, she gave up. You have it. You are also giving up.
No.
You need to have it. Come on, come on. How much time? How much? You can do it. Come on, come on.
अब नहीं होगा.
Come on, come on, come on.
This is too heavy.
Oh God, please, come on.
My hands
You
are
need to
shivering
win.
like this.
You have to win. You have to win. You have to win. You don't want to win? Okay, sir. Okay, you. Come on, it's.
I won't be able to complete, but I'll try to have more than her.
Okay,
No,
just.
you have to finish.
You have to
No,
finish it.
babes.
It's going for 11. Chalo, start it. Start it.
At
Hello,
least
come
I
on,
won't
come
be
on.
able to eat this paneer tikka. It's too delicious, but heavy as well.
Come on, come on. Okay. Finish it, finish it, finish it. Oh God, इनकी तो लग गई वाट. ओहो, इनके shades, इनके बाल,
Nobody
इनके
cares
everything.
about shades.
Look at them. Oh ho, so sad. Are you okay? अब तुम्हें पानी मिल जाएगा. It's fine. You are dead.
My
Almost.
Look at
out of
her.
senses.
Out of senses. It's 11 minutes.
Burger नहीं खाया जा रहा, but I'll have fries.
It won't be counted in this.
Haha, it won't be counted. Yes. Come on. So how much will you take? 12 minutes हो रहे हैं. Come on, come on, come on. Quick, quick, quick. Yes, yes. You can do it. You can do it. मेरा भी मन हो रहा है. Okay, I'm gonna order momos for me. इसके बाद at least let them finish. जल्दी करो यार, मुझे भी मन हो रहा है. मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
This was the last
Oh
bite
God!
and I'm done.
And you know,
अभी नहीं हुआ है.
yes, the stikka.
But I have finished more than you.
Okay, so finish the
Combine
stikka
करो.
also.
Combine ये देखा जाएगा.
You
I
finish the
finished.
stikka also. Okay,
हाँ.
you have to finish it. You have to finish it. So the challenge is it's 12 minutes. Okay, you have to finish it within 1 minute.
But
Come
I
on,
won't be able to
within
finish
1 minute.
this, yeah, guys,
Within 1
seriously,
minute.
please.
Come on, you
No,
have to
no.
finish it within 1 minute. Come on, come on, come on,
तू
come
भी आ
on.
जाएगी.
Have
Yes,
mercy
yes,
on
yes.
me.
Come on, come
No,
on.
no, no. I
Yes,
have
yes,
finished
yes.
more than her.
Oh, come on. Oh, look at
Challenge
them.
is about to finish.
Look at their faces, they are red now, all red, and their eyes. इनकी आंखों में पानी आ चुका है. Watery, too much spicy. Oh God. Have
You
it.
have to finish.
Yes, you
No,
have
I
to.
can't, and I won't. be
We'll
able to.
count till 10. अगर इसने finish नहीं किया तो ये भी हार जाएगी.
No
Yes.
ways. I've already mentioned
1,
before
2,
that this is about
3,
No.
4, and going to 5, 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And it's going for 7. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can have it. Come
Yes.
on. And it's going for. And it's going for. And it's going for. 8. Come on, jaldi, jaldi, jaldi.
I'm done.
9 and 10 and it's done. And finally, जीता तो कोई भी नहीं.
Please.
I must say.
You can have a look.
And look
I
at
just
time.
left
They
this
have
much part
taken.
and she has left this much.
And look at my time
You
here.
have
girl.
your winner.
Oh God, they have taken 13 minutes 50 seconds.
Oh my god.
So finally, अब मैं क्या करूँ, जीता तो कोई भी नहीं, but
No.
इनके
is
नाक
quite
बह रहे
unfair.
हैं,
This is
आंखें
quite
बह रही है,
unfair,
नाक
please.
बह रहे हैं and everything.
Yes,
Yes guys, so it
very,
was. So how did you feel?
She has
Come on.
eaten more than me, but she's not the winner.
So it was good. कैसा लगा खा के?
Tasty,
मजा आया?
heavy,
Spicy.
literally
Spicy, yes.
felt like
और
shivering.
इसका face भी बता रहा है, so spicy.
You can see the spiciness
She's crying.
flowing through my
Wow.
ears.
So come on guys, come on. So
Rajat
now
is
I wanna
almost
have
dead.
something. I wanna have something now. So let's finish the challenge. So come on, come on, come on. Let's go for our tandoori momos. So they are coming. We have placed the order for it. Oh wow, delicious. So guys, as you can see, मेरा order आ चुका है. So they are butter masala tandoori momos. जैसा कि आपको पता है ये जगह इसी चीज़ के लिए famous है. We have 161 varieties. So guys, wow, कितना yummy दिख रहा है ये. मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. As you can see, इन लोगों ने तो खाया था पर I can't stop now. You wanna have?
No.
थोड़ा सा?
We want to have, but we can't have it. Oh my god.
So I can't stop now.
Quite creamy, but no. It's no for me.
I can't stop now. Let's have it.
Oh my god.
Mm.
As she is busy in eating,
Wow, it's
we
too
want to
much.
tell you that
Too much.
we are मतलब like हम बहुत प्राउड महसूस कर रहे हैं एक लोकल ब्रांड के लिए वोकल होते हुए. Like this place is really very awesome. Like really very awesome.
You just need to pay a single visit and you will be addicted for these momos or any other menu items as well. You will be addicted for sure. So you must visit and have your challenge.
With your
be
friends.
be it momo eating, be it burger eating challenge. You can have any challenge with your friends and try to grab them as quick as possible. So
Wow.
like she's busy, I guess it's time
उन्हें
for
खाने
us
देते
to
हैं. हमें देख के वैसे ही
It's mouth watering. Wow, wow, I'm enjoying it.
will be signing out with this note. Okay, tata, bye bye. Take
Thank you
care.
so much and we'll see you soon.